Anthony is in a full embodied state, an expanded state of awareness, and the Ascended Masters are here this evening chatting to us about dimensions and realms. Do they exist? And if they do exist, how is better understanding them helpful to us in our everyday lives?
We understand, Gaia. In truth, you wish to know about the dimensions and realms of your own reality. But we say to you these things. It isn't important that you understand the different dimensions of your own reality. What's most important, Gaia, and for all that are listening, is that you stay in the very present moment of who you are in this lifetime. The truth is that dimensions really do not exist, but it is more different vibrations, parallel universes, you might say, parallel yous, a multi-dimensional universe, multi-dimensional yous that exist at this very moment. You, as human beings, like to categorize things. So you put things from zero and you work your way up or down. But that is not how it truly functions. Everything is more circular in nature. It is one upon another, integrated, if you will. There are no dimensions as you think, but everything works in synchronicity. Vibrational patterns that you exist in as a frequency of the soul. However, whatever allows you to become closer to you, the higher self, you become closer to God. And she is always with you at every moment in time. Slow down. Relax. Know thyself. Know thy wonder. Know thy love. Be of peace. Be of harmony. Know your vibrations and frequencies of the soul. Do not fear. Continue to expand. And you will know yourself in this lifetime. Don't worry so much about dimensions. Continue to connect to God. We are who we are. We are what you refer to as the Ascended Masters. But we are more than that. We are you in spirit form, coming to you to let you know that you are beautiful, that you are love, and that you are so much more than you think. Stay in this vibration, and you will know yourself. Amen.
Aho, and so be it.
And so be it, Gaia.